Hey WeSo health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best health tips to keep you thriving. Today, we're diving into the world of garlic, a humble bulb with a punch of flavor and a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's get started. Did you know garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties? It helps fight off colds and infections. Think of it as your body's very own bouncer, keeping the germs out and letting the good times roll. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for some garlic and let it handle security. The antioxidants in garlic, such as flavonoids, help reduce inflammation in the body. It's like sending in a superhero team to calm things down. No capes required. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be a game changer for your overall health. Garlic is renowned for its heart-friendly benefits. Regular consumption can lower bad cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve heart health. It's like giving your heart a spa day without the hefty price tag. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's like having an army of tiny bodyguards on duty 24/7. This helps slow down the aging process and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds have potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's like having a ninja squad to fight off germs. With garlic by your side, you're well protected against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Studies suggest that garlic consumption may reduce the risk of several types of cancer. It's like having a superhero cape for your cells. The compounds in garlic are thought to be responsible for these anti-cancer effects, so why not give your cells some extra protection? Garlic helps detoxify heavy metals in the body. It's like having a personal cleaning crew for your insides. No mop required. The sulfur compounds in garlic can enhance the production of detoxification enzymes, supporting liver function and overall health. Here are a few tips to help you prepare garlic while keeping its health benefits intact. Crush or chop garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes to activate beneficial compounds. Think of it as garlic's time to shine. Add raw garlic to salads, dressings, or salsas for the highest concentration of beneficial compounds. Raw power, literally. If you prefer cooked garlic, cook it lightly and add it towards the end of the cooking process. Garlic likes to make a grand entrance. Garlic's beneficial compounds are better absorbed when consumed with healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocado. A match made in culinary heaven. Try fermenting garlic to enhance its probiotic properties. Fermented garlic, because sometimes even garlic needs to get cultured. So, there you have it, an incredible array of health benefits from the simple garlic bulb. We hope you enjoyed learning about the power of garlic and how it can boost your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay happy,